Are you in a pyramid scheme? How do you know? Do you know whether you're being recruited in a pyramid scheme? How do you actually spot these pyramid schemes? Hi, this is Stanley from Genesis Arc Capital, and today that's the topic of the day. Remember, we talk about careers, entrepreneurship, money, and everything and anything in between to grow you and to grow ourselves. So this topic of pyramid schemes is actually really big, especially here in Kenya. For some reason, we keep falling for these pyramid schemes, and people have lost a lot of money. And by my research, it looks like we've lost billions of shillings because of pyramid schemes. So the question is, how do you spot a pyramid scheme? Let's start with the definition. This is not a book definition. This is a simplified definition from what I have observed. Now, a pyramid scheme is a business, though saying business is very generous. It's a business where the main source of revenue and the main source of income is the recruitment of new members in order to keep replenishing and to keep paying the old members. Basically, this is how it works. You get into the business. Sometimes you're given a product to sell, sometimes you're not given a product to sell, but the big element is you pay an amount of money, and then you will be paid commissions for other people that you bring into the business. And many times these are called downlines. Okay, so basically, if you recruit two people, a certain percentage of their whatever it is that they pay goes to you. And this is where the danger comes in. This is where the pyramid is formed. There are few people at the top, and then as the business grows or the organization grows, the pyramid becomes wider and wider at the bottom. And at some point, we run out of, or rather the business runs out of people to recruit, and that's where it comes to collapse, because there are no more people feeding the uplines. There are no more new people coming in, and the business collapses. And this is how people actually lose their money, because they came in at the very bottom of the pyramid when there were no more new people to bring in. So how do you know you're in a pyramid scheme? Already that definition that I've just given you gives you a sense, or gives you a few pointers. Number one, does the business have a product that they are selling, or is the main way they are making money the recruitment aspect? Okay, so watch out for that, and be as you're being recruited, watch out. What is the main source of the money? And if you are told that the main source of money is that you have to go and recruit other people, that is a red flag, and this is a way that will help you identify whether this is a pyramid scheme. Another key indicator of whether it is a pyramid scheme, it's usually very hard to withdraw money from a pyramid scheme upon your own request. Okay, so maybe you've deposited some money in the account, you go and ask them to give you back a refund, and that's when the real crocodile teeth show, and you're told that there's not going to be any refund. It's very hard to get your money back from a pyramid scheme. So that's a very big indicator. The next big indicator is that the product itself does not generate a lot of sales. Okay, so you're given, and it could be anything. It could be cosmetics, it could be holiday trips and tours, it could be organic or food supplements, it could be washing product, anything. The product itself doesn't sell a lot, and a lot of pyramid schemes actually use products to make it seem like a legitimate business. But in actual sense, as you're being recruited into this business, ask yourself, is this product going to be a product that moves, or are they just using me for the commission into my upline? Now, if you find yourself already in a situation where you're in a pyramid scheme, what do? Well, to some extent, you may have to cut your losses if you've already put money in. Don't additionally put in more money, or even worse, when you find out that it's a pyramid scheme, don't try and, let's be ethical here. Don't try and recruit other people so that you benefit before it collapses. If you have not yet joined a pyramid scheme, don't. If you're currently being recruited to join, you're suspecting, go through this video again and ask those questions. What's the main source? Is it the sale of the goods and products, or is it the referral that is going to actually bring me some money? And let's be careful. Pyramid schemes are very attractive because they promise very quick money. And I want you to be very careful if you hear someone talking about quick money. That's always a big red flag for me. Any business that is having that high or very quick money means that the risk in that business is even higher than proportional normal businesses. So guys, be careful out there. Remember, get rich slowly is also a very good way to build wealth. There are a lot of people who want to take your money illegally. Let's be careful what kind of schemes we are getting into. If you like this video, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. We love to get your feedback. We've had a lot of questions from our WhatsApp line. Please ask as many questions. I want these videos to be more about you than me and what I think is important. So hit that WhatsApp line and actually text me and ask me which questions or which videos you want me to release. This is Stanley from Genesis Ark Capital. See you next time.